ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯂꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯝꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯪꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯅꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯦꯟꯅꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯦ
Dada, I sama, I ini sanjuri ko, I cucampu lagi baca apa. Jadi ani padri, I ni si Lanjennaraklabashing oi. Wah, nang si relief camp, akampat, I Thongda relief camp akampat na lezari na si. Yung balak ba na uripi? Hai ba di icha ama semlak pagi tunggi asa ama galoy na. Icha si ko karambas ko galay tamang gadagi. Adu magi makan thada kada ba matam sida. Aikoina ngasi wana larik naman magya sa ating tukro kung magikarisura ng ichasi mo pisa ka doon hay biging wakan na ngasi relief kaya pa sila ikoy ang ubi magumneni hay zaming ba mana sarkar ka ikoy sabi ni ba yung pira ni hay na yung maduda taray na ikaw ngasi thanga ka sa turibra ahang ba yung maduda ikoy livelihood amat supida na kari thaga ipuk si thag tori ba do hay ba si zo hay zani aduga ngasi mag relief camp masida ikoi se refugee ama ne haida na tongan ba mityang ama thambagum na su tawbiri ba si siru kari gino relief camp na leire masida kayang kuina leidori ba ikoi se kayang kuina thamdori ba si relief camp masida ki amuk nong ne fabricated temporary house are haire sida amuk na kayang kuina akoi leidori ba hongdok ka hongjin ga ikoi su sana bo na magum na ama da muk tham tawdo na ikoi ki punsi su sana bo la hai ba si sarkar ki mai kai da hangjaningi tongana athuba matamda aikoi ki kari karamba package sembire kari package te arrive package ti oihaning bu pamjade special package oihanbiu aikoi je khoi ki life se zero ni pura zero de ke haureni aikoi ki hai bu karim ta leiba na tre ifi se leiba pani ma phim ilaga sigi bi cha do ko laga chela ko na te lai khoi ngasi karim ta puthok pa dam na lai khoi ke masidi lai aduga ngasi yuma ma bibi de hai da khoi harabam thokra harabam su thok de masi khanda bi yuma ya duga bathak te yuma du dai khoi kyam kuina lai do no ai khoi yuma du lai ra ga kari cha la hin dauri ba kari karam ba thabak su dauri ba tongan ba chal ki da ba inung ni da ma family ma unite tawla da ba hona ba da hauji da wa wa nya ri ahan sing su psychology problem lo ina mang lai la na sin maram moi la ga chinam maram moi la ga ai khoi awa ba hai ba moi re da tu ba matam da sakar mi yang chan han ningi ai khoi ga awa ba su han ningi ai khoi gi han gi leibam ai khoi gi chu champur da changhan du na ai khoi asing bu yum da han jan ningi khoi sarkar ni pi ba provide tori ba free food se khoi chao pam da re khoi han su da cha cha ba I pe buk pe na cha cha ba I cha gi kari bi ka dai no kari ha to no nutrition provide to ba adu mo doi khoi pam e si da le ga khoi kamai ni hing doi no hai ba ja ai janing
every corner of the world that what is really happening here we are not happy whatever it is happening it is very intense and it is very intimate so we want the government to look through this and I also want to say that this is no longer a communal war it is war on us it seems that communal war only exists when a gun starts firing when gun stops firing is it over I want to question that is it over yet but not the real war are happening inside those relief camps many different relief camps the real wars are fought by us we have faced everything we have come through everything so the real wars are fought inside us so I want people to know that it is not over it is the beginning yes government are planning for our shelter but it is not only about the shelter it is about our needs it is about our future yes there will be a roof before my head but what about my empty stomach what will I do and speaking of that I came from a very poor family we are 3 sisters and we are raised by our single mother she's poor she's weak now so how can she be able to support us so we want that support system behind our back, who's going to have our back. And not speaking only about me, there are many families like me suffering through these all thoughts in our head. And the only thoughts as a student, the only thoughts of surviving this war have darkened my future, my career. I have many dreams before. I have planned many things for my family, but now I'm helpless. My hands are tied. I can't do anything. So the government should know this. What are we going to do? My mother, is she supposed to support us now? So I want people to know that it is not over. We are really disturbed. There are still wars fought inside us. So we need help. Please help us, help our future, help us find our path. We are really disturbed, and everything is messed up. We have to start from zero. We have nothing now. Our houses are burned down to ashes, and with that our future, our career, everything. As a student, I don't know what I'm going to do now. Am I going to survive this, or am I going to prepare for my future or my career? So I want people to know that it's not over.
Meira Alliance for Harmony haina ko abigi ke US Bangalore Delhi pullaga relief camp da laiba abigi displaced people hai tare ko moi ki awaba se yamna kano oi ba peaceful oi ba da koi su lai hai ba se moi na picnic da kani sa kani to put se hai ba se political solutions ya dum leader nyan ko samay ga lo shin di ya adu relief camp da laiba ayung makai chakpa documents mangkiba adagi property mangba macha masu laik tamba doina kangkong chaiba si apigi kind of affected victims sing si moi se kitang kaw bagi mawang apina kitang tuba se akoi sulai hai basi pulau je kun nan tan lawi se hai bagi support of ayam kan Meira Alliance for Harmony ita na to solution ko kapuna sinjaba
Mori punong lekai degi ai isamak lukhrabi adu kari haina haidoi na sumaina akoi yum chakraba matungda akoi je ishagi iramdamda ishagi mafamda akoi je chen Lanjennaraga refugee gi type da akoi relief camp da sarkar gi through da charaga ademaina lei adubu sigi punsi jina akoi gi punsi na te akoi na hana leiramba more da akoi gi ichai su lairik tamamba akoi gi bright future leina khalamba wakalon do loina mangre no gi sum mamjal e akoi bu kayam kuina sumaina tawraga leiga doino akoi bu miyeng da changbi yu aduga akoi na hana leizaramba asa do ka hanbiganu adu kari haini sarkar central plus state government da aina request away akoi se peace pame peace ti phangani peace phanga matungda akoi je kamaina hindoino adugi pandam kamaina sarkar na kari mongda tawbige plus package kari lebire angtang mayek sengna akoi bu kamaina hingaga akoi gi chai su lairik tam thalaga punsi chupa punsin kari future do magi cha singi future hai tare akoi lei ba relief camp da lei ba more da hanba pame more da halaga akoi gi sida sakana jum sabiri hai bu more da sabiyu more da saraga hanjalaga akoi more da jum hana tawramba business oro kari oro akoi shage du tawni adu tongni hairaga sutau tawbai mong amadi leire si kari chap chaba ta khaibi aduga koi ngasi da zina sumaina tawraga akoi si haibi ko hai ni hai ki bakta sumaina space ma bibi bese yamchuna harawi adu eraga so harawi hairaga kari hain sumaina di hinga pamne akoi manipur da lai na mai ni hoi na akoi Lanjennaraklabashing ba hai do refuse hai ba akoi
ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯂꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯝꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯪꯂꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯞꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯅꯤꯖꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯟꯖꯟꯅꯕ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯅꯤꯖꯈꯤꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯁꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯎꯅꯖꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯐꯝꯗ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯍꯟꯖꯟꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯅꯔꯛꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯥꯀꯜ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯁꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯔꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯂꯤ ꯐꯤꯚꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕꯤ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯃ ꯂꯥꯏꯁ꯭ꯔꯝꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯟ ꯃꯉꯥꯡ ꯀꯪꯂꯥ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯇꯤꯚꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ